What a goddamned adventure, I'm telling you. No way I'm going somewhere on one of Zulu's hunches again, with his spontaneous ideas to save mankind. At least Voronin understands the zone is no place to play hero. Pulling the squad was the right decision. I'll keep bugging Zulu to leave with us. Can't guarantee he'll listen to me, but I still gotta try. What have you got there?
Those boys kinda grew on me. Not all of them were clueless. Just killed the mood. Gotta give them something for the road. We've got tons of supplies, and they only came here with a couple of loaves of bread and bare minimum ammo. Well, they earned it. Watch and learn.
Time to take your pills, Grandpa.
Welcome to the Freedom Table. Let's chat later. We're not going anywhere.
Sorry for all this. I thought the call would go differently. But that doesn't matter. What matters is now we know where the source is. Which means Nitro's theory was right. And we might be able to get rid of the blasts. We don't have many people. None, in fact. But you and I, Stalker, we can do it. Hope you won't say no. I'm offering more than just gratitude. That goes without saying.
Why did Voronin order the squad back so suddenly?
You heard him. Unacceptable risk of losing the unit. And I understand. I know why the General doesn't want us poking around there. Voronin is being cautious. He cares about every single soldier. But every duty member knows what they signed up for. We have to destroy the zone, no matter the cost. And I'm willing to pay with my life.
Can a duty member disobey orders?
No. There will be consequences. But only if I survive our mission. So there's no point thinking about it. Mission first, life plans later.
What's the plan?
God, finally back to the point. This duty drama is like a lullaby.
Mafka, you're here. I didn't even notice you.
I got bitten by a bloodsucker, so now I have an invisible moat, you know?
Don't say that. Not funny.
Okay, fine. By the way, I've been to the workshop already. We've got 2 problems back there.
We?
Uh-huh. I'm coming with you.
Why not? Fine by me.
Off on a mission with a stalker and a freedomer. Not everyone in duty would approve, but the mission is what matters. And people aren't mutants. You can trust people, despite the risks, even if the zone teaches you not to.
You mentioned we have problems at the workshop. What problems?
The entrance is blocked. With all due respect, even Zulu won't be able to open those heavy doors, no matter how hard he tries. I think we can still open them somehow, but we need to turn the power on first. There's a fuse box nearby. That should be enough.
So, the plan is that Skiff powers up the power station, while we will take care of the zone fauna around the workshop. I'm guessing that's problem number 2.
Exactly. Nice to go out on a run with someone experienced.
Skiff, Mafka and I are heading to the testing workshop. Once you deal with the power, come and join us there.
Keep your area on, and don't get lost. the way, you never told me where you got the jacked up shovel of yours.
Curiosity killed a cat. Looking to get one for Eugene?
Not everyone in freedom is looking for money, you know?
Nitro made it. In honor of my return to duty. I am sure you can ask him to make you one. He won't say no to you.
So will duty expel you again this time or merely issue a reprimand for insubordination?
Mavka, I lost control back then. Nearly beat Tulha to death. But anyway, they never expelled me even for that. I left on my own. I felt I was unworthy of my comrades' trust.
So what's changed?
I made it to Prip. Great. Everyone's here.
Ready to go to the workshop?
Any trouble on your way here?
Easy.
Had to deal with a couple of zombies. Other than that, it was a piece of cake.
Everything is a piece of cake according to you. Doesn't sound like the zone at all.
Not everything. I'm just not used to whining.
What's our plan?
We need to go through the underground tunnels of the testing workshop. We'll find the source of the blasts and deal with it. Here is the keycard. It should come in handy. Mafka and I will clear the hallway.
Where'd you get that key?
Nitro got it from some seasoned tech. Looks like Dektirov himself had it with him in the Iron Forest. So treat it like a true relic.
I'm ready.
Great, let's roll. Open the door, Skiff.
Stop! If you see this, shoot it or go around it. Damn it! We didn't get far. It's closed. Let me...
Fuck. No, that wound is serious. Let's find a way around.
This looks like the control room. The door can be unlocked.
I can try the vent, but the bar will give me some trouble.
This will only solve part of the problem. Something's definitely blocking the power, even after Skiff started the generator. Weird. The next room has power. Skiff, go check it out. I'll help Mafka with the vent while you try to restore power in the control room. We'll be on comms, main channel.
Damn vents. Only the sewers are worse. Feels like a ton of rats are gonna crawl out from behind.
I thought Freedom members saw good in all zone manifestations.
Only in those useful to humankind. Rats in vents definitely are not.
Cool it. I'll keep watch. No mutants can get past me. Unless, of course, they're lurking in some side passage.
Damn it, Zulu! Next time you are going in.
Zul's here. Hold on, I'll let you in. Skiff! Poltergeist!
Open the door already!
I'll help him.
Good job! We need folks like you in the arena.
You two can chat later. Still got that keycard in a safe place?
Finally, a decent run. You and I, like old times, watching each other's backs, and a good fighter by our side.
Last time you said it was a decent run, we stumbled upon a chimera.
First, it was the Chimera who stumbled upon us. And second, since when were you so superstitious?
Zone can make anyone feel superstitious. If it's not the blasts, it's the emissions. And don't get me started on mutants and anomalies.
But the bone marrow of that Chimera may become part of a cure for some rare disease. I want to believe that it can save more people than it managed to kill. Okay, so why didn't this hermetic door open from the control room? Any ideas?
Not yet. Let's split up and look for ways we can move forward. Boys to the left, girls to the right. Make sure to keep your radios on.
I had a campfire story that started just like this.
I'll look around. Maybe I can get the door's electric drive motors connected. You should go further down the hallway and check it out. Excellent work, Skip. Where did Mafka go? Mafka, come in! Where are you? Mafka, come in!
Hey, relax. I'm fine, don't worry. Just a little trouble on the road. Keep going. I wonder what kind of gizmos they tested here.
Looks like some kind of Project X equipment.
Don't you feel like someone's...
What?
Nothing. Forget it. Let's figure out which way we should go.
Skip, it looks like there's a slot for a keycard here. We should try it. Jammed.
Zulu, there's fresh blood on the bandage. Let's skiff open it. It's real.
Don't touch anything. If this is what I think it...
Zulu?
Yeah. It's healed. Dikyarev told me about it. An oasis.
No way. An oasis. The oasis. I've heard some tall tales about it, but I always thought it was too good to be true.
And you were right. We are in a zone. Miracles aren't real.
There's someone here.
Lukash. Lukash. Oh my god, who did this to you? Hold on. I'm gonna figure something out. Stay with me.
Quick! The blast! Run!
Don't move. Don't move. Hold on. Don't move. Don't move.
Let me help.
stay with me. Lukasz! Lukasz! Please! Lukasz!
I can feel what you want
Lukasz?
more than anything. Find them. Find the key to freedom.
Lukasz? Lukasz? Lukasz?
I'm sorry, Mavka.
Not now. I want to bury him.
I'm with you. I'll stay here to help Mavka with Lukasz. We do everything in our power to bury our own in duty. Mavka is in duty, but she's one of us. And that means her friend is too.
Who is this Lukasz guy?
You've not heard of him? Lukasz is the former leader of Freedom. He was in charge until Miklucha got back from the Scorcher. It was Lukasz who brought Mavka to the faction. They were pals, as far as I know. But Mavka will get through it. She's strong. In this place, that's how it is.
How's your arm?
So far, so good. As if nothing was ever wrong with it. It didn't help Lukasz much, though. And there is no way of knowing what it will do to me. I'd prefer my wounds to heal naturally.
What happened here?
I wish I knew for sure, Skiff. Seems like the blasts and the Oasis were connected to this device. We got rid of the source. Some might feel sorry the Oasis is gone, but not me. These miracles of the zone always come with a catch.
What should we do next?
Check out the rest of the facility, Skiff. Lukasz sure didn't stab himself. Here, take it. In case something goes south, try to find out who did it, but stay out of trouble. We've had enough deaths for one day. I'll meet you at the camp.
Stick to the plan.
I can't! Whatever Lucas was building there, it didn't survive combat. If you wanted to use it, you'll have to find yourself a new one.
Skiff, do you copy? Mafka and I are done here. Lukash... We gave him a proper goodbye. Heading to camp now. We'll meet you there. Hope you have some news for us.